Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you exactly how to use Notion to organize your entire life in 2025, and it will be a step-by-step video for you. Whether you want to manage your task, goals, finance, habits, or even personal project, we will build a complete setup you can use right away. By the end, you will have a personal dashboard that keeps your whole life organized in one place. So what actually is and why you need to use it? So Notion is an all-in-one workspace where you can make, take notes, manage tasks, plan goals, and store informations. The best part, it is completely customizable. So you can create a system that fits your lifestyle instead of adjusting your life to fit an app. Today we will build a life OS, a central hub for everything in your personal and professional life. So first of all, you just need to be create an account here. So you just need to be click over here, get Notion free. You just need to be go over here. Once you come over here, then you will eventually get the options to create an account. So here you will come over here into the home panel. So now let's create a main dashboard. So open Notion and click add a page option. So here you just need to click over here, add a page like here, and then name it something like live dashboard or my life OS. So here I will click over here, live dashboard, and when it done, then you just need to be come over here and choose an icon and cover image that motivates you. So I'll click over here, add cover, and then I will reposition it properly. Here I think this one is quite good. I can change the cover. Here we have a couple of cover. I think this one is quite good. You can choose from here which one motivate you. It's totally up to you. So I will go with that, like this one. This is the good one. I feel motivated when I see Napoleon. So I'll click over here, set positions, and now you just need to be choose an icon. Like here, I will click over here at icon, and I will choose that one, that is this one. The icon will be perfect for me. So it could be aesthetic matter because if we'll be looking at this daily, we are going to use this dashboard as the entry point of everything else: tasks, calendar, goals, finance, and the habits. So now I'm going to add task manager. So here inside your dashboard, you just need to be type. Here you just need to be type slash table, and here you just need to be hit that and select inline to create task database. Add column for, like here I'm going to add this one. Like from that I am going to add a couple of more. This is an inline one, so here I am going to place all of this like that. I'm going to add task name, then the second one will be due date, third one is category, like here. Okay, category. Fourth one will be status, and that's it for now. So here I'm going to remove that one. So it is removed perfectly. So task name is, it's mean the title one, then due date it is the date one, and category, like you can select work, personal, is like school, etc. And then the status will be to do, in progress, or done. Now you can quickly add task and track them in one place. Tip, let me give you a tip that use the board view to get Kanban style workflow. Propose it. It will be a perfect one for the views. So now we are going to build a calendar view. Next, click the link your tasks to calendar view so you can see them by date. You just need to click add a view and choose calendar, like here. You just need to come over here, then type slash and give the calendar view options. Here you can see, you just need to add it, and here you can see it already been added perfectly, and you can provide a name or give a database in here. This gives you a visual schedule to your task and deadlines. You can give drag task around the calendar and change dates. Super handy for planning your work in here. Now, let's talk about how you can set up a goal and vision board. Let's make a section for your long-term goals. You just need to be type slash, like here, I will come over that place, and next to this, I will type slash and I'll search for the gallery. So you just need to choose the gallery one. I will choose that, and here you can see it already been added the gallery. So you can choose your suggestion thing like the task manager. You can add new page and many more things. So here you can see it will be added here. So add cards for each goal. For example, learn Spanish, save 500 or $1,000 or run 10K. Inside each goal card, write your action step and progress tracker. This gives your big picture vision connected to your daily actions. Like let's say I am going to type that I will save here, like save 500 or $1,000. And here into this one I am going to add a cover. So I'll click over here, this cover, and you can upload your cover or you can choose your one with that. So it's totally up to you. I will choose that one, and once it's done, then you can add the icon, and here I'll search for money, and you can see that money we have. I'll add that one. You can add this one. Once you've done, just click this one and you can add property onto that. Once you come over here, you can see it already been added and it looks really amazing. You can edit the icon, you can edit the property, you can add a favorites, you can copy the link and you can open it. It's totally up to you. It's an amazing one for you. Now I'm talking to about habit tracker. To stay consistent, we will build a simple habit tracker that is like you just need to come over here and create a table with columns for habit, day of the week checkbox, notes. It could be also check off day habit dailies. Seeing your streak grows can be a super motivating. Let me give you a tip in here that you can turn this into a monthly tracker by using date properties and filters. Now let's talk about the personal knowledge hub. Finally, let's create a personal knowledge hub for storing information like books, articles, recipes, study notes, anything. Making a new page called knowledge and use pages or database to organize by topic. This is your personal library that you can search instantly whenever you need something. So Notions allow you to customize with colors, icons, and widgets, make it visually inspiring. You can also connect it with the Google Calendar, to-do list, or other tools using integrations like Zapier or Notions API for automations. And that's your complete Notion live setup for 2025. With this system, you can manage your tasks, track goals, build habits, and keep all your important information in one organized place. If this tutorial helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more productivity tips, and share your favorite Notion feature in the comments. Thanks for watching.